Introducing the Mobile Eye Care Bus at the Institute of Diabetes and Eye Care, a unit of Shraddha Eye Care Trust and Bangalore Diabetes Club. The Mobile Eye Care Bus is equipped with infrastructure for comprehensive eye examination. Following patient registration, patients can undergo various tests like refraction and slit lamp examination. The other equipment available in the bus include autokeratorefractometer, eye care, indirect ophthalmoscope, and OCT. Following doctor consultation, patients can also avail the facility of opticals and pharmacy, which is available in the Mobile Eye Care Bus. Any patients requiring surgery will then be transferred to IDEC following careful screening. Currently, we have CAMs operational at various parts of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. There are special camps being organized by various NGOs as well. We are expanding our services to include districts from many neighboring states as well. We have state-of-the-art equipment and infrastructure at IDEC, providing quality and comprehensive eye care to patients along with the Shraddha Eye Bank services. Having provided eye care services to around 6,354 satisfied patients, our mobile eye care service continues to serve the underprivileged communities of various districts around the state. Thousand 477 patients have undergone eye surgeries at IDEC. The staff at IDEC are extremely honored to be able to provide high quality of care with great responsibility, accountability, and compassion to the most underserved and underprivileged communities of our country. Presenting to you the team of doctors and supporting staff at IDEC.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕೆಂಪಮ್ಮ. ನನಗೆ 2 ಕಣ್ಣು ಪರೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿರೋರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಊಟ ಪಾಠ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಚೆಂದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. 3 ಸಲ ಊಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇವಾಗ ಬರದೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿರೋರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ.
A heartfelt thank you to all our donors who make our endeavors possible. The Mobile Eye Care Bus serves the mission of eye care for all with a humane touch.